Hello my friends, what's up? Hope you're fine now friends. In this video we have a look of Enjin coin. What's the price change goes in Enjin coin, what's the current price and what's change at this time occurs in the Enjin coin. In this video I will show you. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and urgent videos. As you can see here friends, that first of all we look the last 7 day, last 1 week price change occur in an Enjin coin. That is the last 7 day price predictions. As you can see here, the change occur in the Enjin coin is positive 31.9%, and the high price of Wing coin is about $3.91 is the high price of Enjin coin. They will hit $4 soon inshallah. As you can see here, the price change and the price prediction chart, as you can see here, tell us, oh my god. But now currently if we look the current situation, so they are in the fast. But when we look the last 1 hour price prediction, so it is clear for us that now at this time what's occur in the Enjin coin. Now let's see the last 1 day price prediction. After that we look the last 2 hour, and after that we look the last 1 hour. As you can see here, it is clear for us. As you can see here, the last at this time currently they moving upwards, so soon they hit $4. Okay, and the change occur in the Enjin coin in the last one day as negative 3.75% change occur in the last 1 day, and the high price in the last 1 day is $3.53 is the high price. Now let's see the live price prediction of the last 2 hour, what's gone in the previous last 2 hour and the Enjin coin. As I told you in the start of this video that now currently they are moving upward. So friends, the high price, the change occur in the last 2 hour in the Enjin coin is positive 1.94%, and the high price is $3.11 is the high price of Enjin coin. Now let's check it out the last 1 hour, what's the currently change goes in Enjin coin at this time. That is a live price predictions what's going in Enjin at this time. As you can see here, and this time the change as a positive 2.24% goes change in the Enjin coin, and the high price is $3.11. And friends, if we look the chart analysis, so the chart analysis tell us that now currently at this time the explosion of the Enjin coin are starts now friends. So friends, I'm not a financial advisor. What if you want to invest in these coins, so please do your own research. I'm only give you my personal suggestion. So friends, my suggestion for all Enjin holder as that if you are a holder of Enjin coin, so please hold your Enjin coin. As you can see now on the screen, the last 1 hour result, at this time the Enjin coin start explosion. So please hold your Enjin coin with the last of this month and make a good amount of profit with the Enjin coin. What's your opinion about Enjin coin? Please also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of urgent videos notifications.